Great. Where is everyone?
That's a bit tight.
Safety first, I guess?
Yeah!
Cat strikes! Catboy wins back the PJ Powers, skillfully whisking them from the air with grace and speed.
I still don't get where everyone went. Are we going faster?
I think maybe yes.
Look!
No! Romeo tricked us! The fair stops rigged! Stop the ride, Romeo! Let us off!
Welcome to my unfair ground. You thought you were here to win the power. You wanted it so bad. And that let me capture you. With my Sonic Hoops, heat-seeking coconuts, and Romeo Coaster.
You mean you don't want the power?
Whoa! Of course I do. Whoa! I'm gonna do lots of stuff now that there's no one to stop me. Whoa!
No one to stop you? What about the Ninjalinos?
Nothing without Night Ninja. True. Armadillon, you forgot about him. Well, now you mention it.
Hey! How come nobody told me about the fair?
Ooh, balloons.
High-powered helium balloons, my anteater friend.
How could we have fallen for this? We were so focused on getting our power back, we didn't see what was going on around us. I know that they tried to take our powers too, but maybe if we help them, they'll help us.
We've still got some of our powers.
Time to be heroes!
Owl feathers!
Hey! The Pajama Kids helped us! Hey! Cat strikes!
Owl feathers!
That's what I call an escape! Coconuts? Schmoconuts?
Do something!
Yes, Master.
Whoa!
Nobody tricks us! Yeah, give me that remote!
Okay. Here it is.
Regular roller coaster speed. Time for some real fun at the fair.
Yeah!